Puppies are out playing.
What the heck?
Grover and Gromit are playing.
Are you really doing that? I would be kind of, that would be kind of weird if he was actually doing that. Oh, I've got one right by me. Ow.
We've got
He's nibbling on my fingers. Stop it. Okay. They're gonna bite my
Gromit, you're
thumb.
being attacked by all of your puppies.
He's biting my thumb.
I'm serious. This is the battle I've been waiting for so long. Puppies, attack! Gromit,
Grover isn't
attack on
playing.
they're both.
Grover isn't playing.
No,
Grover is right here.
No, that's not Grover, Elliot. This is Grover.
Grover's in.
Who's this?
Grover's the main fighter.
Main fighter.
Elliot, this one's trying to get that one up so we can fight.
No, I want
Grover's
to keep
getting beat up.
snuggling with Elliot.
Oh,
Wants to
but
keep
you've got
snuggling
teeth.
with my fingers.